Hello everyone. Have a good day. Welcome to Ifixx Electronics. Today we have Samsung A51 with no Wi-Fi issue.
Like a captive, I'm on to you. Used to pay to my mom life, standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I was like this in ages, and I know my patience. So won't you please stay a bit longer?
As you can see, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth options not completely highlighted. Normally this problem comes from Wi-Fi IC. Let's try replacing the Wi-Fi IC. Testing again. Problem is same. It confirms Wi-Fi IC is good, but the problem is from somewhere else. Phone is still on, so let's check some voltages.
I know you don't love me like you say you do. I know you don't love me like you say you do.
Casting on my promises, you know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out. 'Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. 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 You cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out. 'Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become
This line doesn't have voltage.
a little stronger now.
Disconnect battery and check in diode mode. This line is short. Remove capacitor and check again. It's same. Maybe Wi-Fi IC is faulty.
Open eyes
Remove Wi-Fi IC and check again.
cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, hold tight,
Even after removing Wi-Fi IC and capacitor shorting is there.
hold tight, hold tight.
Open bitmap and check connected circuits. No other circuits are connected.
The skies, all because of
Only Wi-Fi IC, one capacitor, and power IC. Remove power and check again.
paint the skies. Only you can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move.
Shorting still there. Need to make external connection from power IC to Wi-Fi IC.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. On we'll go.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see.
Rebol power IC and Wi-Fi IC install on board and test.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Honey, I'm a perfect 10.
Repair done. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth working good now. Contact us for any kind of electronics repair.
I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care. You're on